Hello and welcome back to the channel Learn and Practice. As you have seen in the title, this is the current affairs show of April. So there is 65 questions. Let's see how much you can attempt out of 65 and write your score in the comment box so you can compare with the others. Now, without wasting time, let's start with the first question. So here is the first question. Which organization launched a career agnostic safety app named My Circle, which has been designed to empower women in the event of any distress or panic situation? So the answer is Bharti Airtel and FICCI Ladies Organization. Next, which country will host the world's foremost artificial intelligence summit? The answer is UAE, that is United Arab Emirates. Next, who has been appointed as the chair of International Hockey Federation Health and Safety Committee? So what will be the answer? The answer is Bibhu Kallan Nayak. He is from India. Next, who won the prestigious World Press Photo Award 2019? So the answer is John Moore. Come to the next question. What was the theme for World Allergy Week 2019? So the theme is the global problem of food allergy, and it is organized from 7th to 13th April. Next, in where India's first of its kind voter park was inaugurated? So the answer is Gurugram, that is in Haryana. Which two schemes of West Bengal government have won the prestigious World Summit on the Information Society Awards of United Nations? The answer is Utkarsh Bangla and Shobuj Sathi. Come to the next question. A Telegu poet has been selected for the prestigious Saraswati Samman 2018. Who is he? The answer is K. Shiva Reddy. Which country will be the guest of honor country at the Abu Dhabi International Book Fair, that is ADIBF 2019? The answer is India. Google launched a new open platform from Google Cloud named, what was the name? Anthos. Next, which company has bagged the prestigious AIMA Managing India Award 2019 for Outstanding PSU of the Year? So, the answer is Indian Oil Corporation. Next, which international bank has become world's first bank to launch banking via WhatsApp? So, the name of the bank is Emirates Islamic. Next, as per Forbes, which bank has been named as India's #1 bank by the customers? The answer is HDFC Bank. Next, International Monetary Fund cut India's GDP to how much percentage for financial year 2020? The answer is 7.3%. Astronomers have captured the first ever image of a black hole located in which galaxy? The answer is Messier 87, that is in short form M87. Who will be the new MD and CEO of Indian Overseas Bank? The answer is Karnam Shekhar. According to the report by United Nations Population Fund, India's population grew at an average annual rate of blank between 2010 and 2019. The answer is 1.2%. And what is the numerical value? 1.36 billion. Next. In which country Google has launched its first drone delivery business? So the name of the country is Australia. Next. Which company won the Global Slag Company of the Year award? The answer is Tata Steel. Next. Who has been named as the new chief coach of India's men's hockey team? The answer is Graham Reid. See, these are the very important questions. So be careful. Watch the video till the end. So come to the next question. Which railway station has become the first ever railway station to get an ISO certification from the National Green Tribunal for providing sorry, there is a printing mistake. Providing passenger amenities in a clean and green environment. First providing word should not be there. So the answer is Guwahati railway station. Which village has become India's first carbon positive settlement? The answer is Phaing village in Imphal West district of Manipur. Next. According to World Bank report, which country is the world's top recipient of remittance? The answer is India. Who has been appointed as the new president of World Bank? The answer is David Malpass. Next. The joint military exercise Bold Kurukshetra-2019 is conducted between which two countries? The answer is India and Singapore. Come to the next question. Who has become the first Indian elected as a member of FIFA Executive Council? So the answer is Proful Patel. RBI has tweaked LCR norms to boost liquidity. What is the full form of LCR? The answer is Liquidity Coverage Ratio. The questions may become like that. What is C stands for? So be careful in case of abbreviations. Next. According to the first bi-monthly monetary policy, what is the current repo rate? The answer is 6%. Next. Who has taken charge as MD of LIC? This is important for LIC AO exam. So the answer is Vipin Anand. Next. Indian Army has built the longest suspension bridge, Maitri Bridge, over which river? The answer is Indus River. Next. Which country launched the world's first national 5G mobile networks? So the name of the country is South Korea. Next. ADB downgraded India's growth rate to how much percentage? The answer is 7.2%. Which state topped in the e-learning training program for field staff? The answer is Telangana. In where India's first exotic bird park, SL World Bird Park, was launched? So the name of the place is Mumbai. Next. China developed world's first armed amphibious drone boat named what? Marine Lizard. Next. In where Google has opened its first African Artificial Intelligence Lab? So the answer is Accra, that is capital of Ghana. In the World Press Freedom Index 2019, India ranked at which position? The answer is 140th position. Next. Which bank has been awarded the prestigious Celent Model Bank 2019 award? The answer is Fincare Small Finance Bank. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of Deutsche Bank for India? The answer is Kaushik Shaparia. Which bank has launched NRI Insta-Online account opening process which will not require to furnish any physical document? The answer is IDBI. Who has become the first Indian female scientist elected as a Fellow of the Royal Society? In short form, that is called FRS. So the answer is Gagandeep Kang. Next. Which country will host G20 summit in 2020? The answer is Saudi Arab. Blank and blank will participate in International Fleet Review in Qingdao, China. The answer is INS Kolkata and INS Shakti. Blank, India's largest app for financial service, has integrated with UPI as a payment method. So, what is the name of that app? ET Money. NASA's first female astronaut candidate recently passed away. What is the name of the candidate? The answer is Jerry Cobb. Which company has partnered with India Post to transform it into a multi-service digital hub? The answer is Tata Consultancy Service. Which has become the first Indian retail company to cross rupees 1 lakh crore annual revenues? The answer is Reliance Retail. Who was honored with Pandit Govinda Vallabh Pant Award for his book titled Samvidhan Kavya? The answer is Sunil Kumar Gautam. India ranked at which position in the Cancer Preparedness Index 2019? The answer is 19th. In the Cancer Preparedness Index 2019, India ranked at 19th position. Who won gold in Asian Wrestling Championship? The answer is Bajrang Punia. World's first malaria vaccine was launched in where? Africa. Which bank has become the first central bank in the Asia Pacific region to begin interest rate easing cycle? The answer is RBI. Which bank has got approval from National Company Law Tribunal for merger with Bharat Financial Inclusion? The answer is IndusInd Bank. Next. Who has been appointed as the next High Commissioner of India to Seychelles? The answer is Dalbir Singh Sohag. Who were awarded with the Deenanath Mangeshkar Award 2019? Number 1, Madhur Bhandarkar. Number 2, Salim Khan. Number 3, Helen. These are the 3 persons who were awarded with the Deenanath Mangeshkar Award 2019. Which airways has become the first major airline to fly plastic free? The answer is Etihad. Cyclone blank hit the coastal area of Andhra Pradesh. The answer is Fani. In where second Belt and Road Forum was held? The answer is Beijing in China. Which country topped at the International Shooting Sport Federation World Cup 2019? The answer is India. Who won Azerbaijan Grand Prix 2019? The answer is Valtteri Bottas. Which country topped the Asian Athletics Championship 2019? The answer is Bahrain. 5th Asia Pacific Broadcasting Union Media Summit held in where? The answer is Kathmandu, Nepal. Next. According to CIPRI report, India was the world's 4th biggest military spender in 2018. What is the full form of CIPRI? So, the answer is Stockholm International Peace Research Institute. Which company acquired Splash, which is the largest personal care company of Philippines? The answer is Wipro. Who has won PFA, that is Professional Footballers Association Special Achievement Award? The answer is Steph Houghton. That's all for today. If you are new viewer, then subscribe this channel so that you will get notification after uploading every video. Take care and thank you.